Ever thought that putting orange peel behind the door would do that? I guarantee you will be impressed with this tip, and the amazing results you will have after doing this.
Organic health remedy.
But first tell me what you usually do with the orange peels you dry or throw away. Tell me below in the comments. I'm sure what you will learn today, you will share with your whole family, and I'll even teach you an extra tip at the end of this video. So stay with me in today's video, because the results are almost immediate and will surprise you. The orange is one of the most consumed fruits, not only in Brazil, but also worldwide. What many people don't know is that after consuming them, their peels can have many more uses even imagined. Many people even use them in cooking, as in the preparation of sweets, for example. But the use of these great citric and aromatic peels goes far beyond the pot. So today I've selected some great usage tips for orange peel that will help optimize your day, and I'm sure you'll love it. But first, guys, a super important message. Did you know that only people who are interacting with our page are receiving our videos, either by commenting, liking or sharing? So take advantage of this moment, and put here below in the comments from which city you are watching me from so that you can always receive our videos firsthand, and I will also send you a big hug. Have you ever put orange peel behind your door? Imagine what this tip is for, and if you do it right the way I will explain here in this video, the insects will pass far away from your house. I really like homemade and natural tips, especially because I have pets here at home. So, I always try to alternate the most natural ones to take care of my home, and the orange peel is an excellent ally in this case. Did you know? And if you were surprised by this, I assure you, if you put orange peel behind your door, it will leave you amazed. You can also tell me in the comments what you usually do to scare off mosquitoes and other insects such as ants. Depending on the time of year, the ants, cockroaches and spiders usually appear more frequently, and to keep them away, and live more peacefully and far away, you can use this tip with the orange peel. So whenever you peel an orange, keep its peel inside a glass jar and put behind the door of your house. Can be in the bedrooms, in the bathroom. You can also make little paper towel bags to put also on the windows. The aroma of the orange is fundamental to scare away insects. You can also use lemon peel for this purpose. And if you also prefer, you can mix the two. In addition, you can also put the orange peel on your doorway. You'll see how the insects will pass away from your house. Orange peels are also excellent repellents for those same garden ones. So if you have a problem with slugs in your garden, try scattering some orange peels on the ground and you'll drive them away. So, on to the extra tip of the day. It's no secret that the aroma of a freshly peeled orange can clean up a room, so starting today, put the orange peels under the kitchen or bathroom trash can to have a nice smell at home all day long.
Subscribe now for the next video.